Make anyone possessive over you, and you will become their heaven with this meditation, and make their love for you grow so strong that no one could ever break it. Beware that the results from this meditation cannot be reversed. So only listen if you truly want this person to love you forever. Now let's begin. They are so possessive of me. They are so jealous of anyone who speaks to me. They are so overprotective of me. They are so clingy with me. They always check up on me. They want to have me all to themselves. They want to be the only one I give attention to. They want to always be around me. They are always checking my social media. They are always checking their phone for my text messages. They only love me. They are overly sweet to me. They are so obsessed with me. They always make excuses to come and see me. They always make excuses to spend more time with me. They always follow me around like a puppy. They always do everything I say. They always want to please me. They always want to impress me. They always want to be my hero. They will always love me unconditionally. They are hopelessly devoted to me. Loving me feels like a piece of heaven for them all the time. They always tell me that I feel like heaven to them. They always tell me that I am their heaven. They always call me their angel. Every time they see me, it instantly feels like heaven for them. Every time they think of me, it instantly feels like heaven for them. Every time they talk to me, it instantly feels like heaven for them. Every time they touch me, it instantly feels like heaven for them. Every time they hear my voice, it instantly feels like heaven for them. Every time they call me, it instantly feels like heaven for them. Every time they text me, it instantly feels like heaven for them. Every time they hug me, it instantly feels like heaven for them. Every time they kiss me, it instantly feels like heaven for them. I am their nirvana. I am their paradise. They are in love with me and always have been. They are deeply in love with me. I am their heaven. I am their paradise. I am their angel. I am their nirvana. Just by breathing the same air as I do, they feel like they are in paradise. Just by looking at me, they feel like they are in heaven. Just by hearing my voice, they feel like they are reaching nirvana. I am their heaven on earth. I am their serenity. They feel so tranquil and peaceful next to me. They say yes to heaven, so they say yes to me. It is already done. Type, they say yes to heaven, so they say yes to me, to claim this meditation. And if you need a miracle to get your specific person back. Just like Koya, I can help you. Let me help you get your specific person back and give you more love and affection than they have ever given you before. All you have to do is head to joybyjanell.com or click the link in the description box below, and I can start manifesting for you today. Until next time, bye my loves. See you in the next meditation.